It's good. Hi, Dr. Lin and Professor Zhao. Thank you so much for invitation. That's the slides I saw. Our paper, the most cited paper 2022 to right now. So excited, so excited. Actually, this cover is of our paper. Our paper published in Nature Reviews Cardiology earlier this year. This beautiful cover made by the journal editorial board. So this paper is pretty long. It's 19 pages, cited reference probably over 300 publications in this review article. And after over 6 months, this I just checked the website. It's a couple minutes ago. This access over 20K times, and the citation close to 100 to right now. Actually, this is a hot cited paper. Actually, our laboratory last 5 years, we have published more than 20 high cited papers, including research article and reviews. I really appreciate the team, Nature Reviews Cardiology, give us the opportunity to publish our papers. Actually, this co-corresponding author is Professor Jun Xiamin, a professor in Zhejiang University Translational Medical Institute. We did very closely to collaboration. So I just mentioned before, I really appreciate its Nature Reviews Cardiology editorial team, like Greg Lim, also Christina. They did great job. No matter how late you have questions, they respond very speed, very professional, help you to make a high quality review and publish timely. So thank you, Dr. Lim. So our topic is covered iron ferroptosis in heart disease. What is ferroptosis? Actually, this concept is started in 2012. It's to right now it's 11 years. It's cell death, iron-dependent cell death. We know apoptotic, so necrotosis and ferroptosis. So ferroptosis started 1919. It's become a very hot topic globally. So our research group focused this topic and published over 50 research articles in this topic. So how ferroptosis regulated? So this cartoon is from this review article. It's 3 pathways very important to regulate cell death, cell fate. The first part is iron dependence in this right this iron metabolism. I will show more slides about how iron dependence. The second pathway is GSH regulation. Many proteins and enzymes in this pathway. Most important popular protein they call SLC711. This transporter is the cysteine transporter to maintain a very important the enzyme they call GPX4 to protect against GCH metabolism. The third part is lipid peroxidation. Many protein enzyme in this part, and if too much lipid peroxidation can damage membrane and get this cell death. So this is 3 pathway interaction to regulate cell fate. If something happens, cause cell death, this ferroptosis. So very complicated. We also published several covered papers. These covers show how these 3 pathways, a traditional 3 kingdom, 三英战吕布. It's iron, GCH, and lipid peroxidation. Also, last year we published a cover review in GW-ICC, use traditional Chinese art paper cut. This art shape. These 2 tigers and 1 iron together, 3 factors. We know last year is Chinese Tiger Year. So it's a figure to show how iron metabolism regulation in cell. So I'm not going to the detail. Actually, iron cumulus regulation is more complicated than we are thinking. This is system regulation, iron absorption, and the liver iron storage, and the macrophage iron recycling. So many important genes have been discovered, over 20 years before. This green color gene is first discovery from a laboratory or our collaboration. Uh, so our laboratory generates most of these genes, knockout mouse models, and try to understand how the function or mechanisms. So I'm not going to details to today. If you look at these cell models, how the protein, the interaction to regulate iron in the cell, so many proteins in our membrane, also many proteins in the intracellular. The transferrin receptor, so ferroptosis action, iron exporter. So very complicated. I'm not going to go to the details. So the Nature Reviews cardiology for this part we wrote pretty long, and so before publication, probably Dr. Lin asked short this section how iron metabolism. So ferroptosis important. They have to benefit our human health. So many diseases have been involved in this ferroptosis. Actually, this cartoon model is just from our laboratory recent review published in the Frontiers of Medicine. So many diseases involve the ferroptosis. Our laboratory not only limited to study heart disease, also working on liver disease and the and the kidney disease. So we have published serious research articles. So just for example, how iron and ferroptosis in heart disease. So we use traditional the model. We use the doxorubicin induced cardiac toxic model in the mouse model to high dose dogs can kill the mice. So 2 weeks, 90% mice died. So we treat with the mice with different cell death inhibitors, including ferroptosis inhibitors for one. So significant rescue these mice deaths. They indicate ferroptosis is a very important mechanism in these models. Finally, we collect a lot of data pathology, and also many data support this ferroptosis happen in this heart. Also, we use the ferroptosis inhibitor for one. Also, we use the iron chelator as a ferroptosis inhibitor, very significant rescue this heart failure. So we try to understand the mechanism of iron accumulation in these disease models. Also, we mechanism use by using RNA-seq to identify HMOX1 upregulation in this disease model. HMOX1 protein degraded heme to release free iron can damage the cardiac cells. So we also functional to confirm HMOX1 is the target for these models. Also, the second model uses the IR models to validate that ferroptosis is there for the mechanism. This summary, I'm not go to the detail. This paper published 2019. This research article cited over 1,000 in last 4 years. So really happy that it highlights so from a group to discuss this the paper, also circulation post news to highlight our discoveries. So the second model, I'm not go to the detail. This research article just published the circulating research. We identify very important protein, ferritin deletion in the car tissues can cause cardiomyopathy. Also, this mechanism is ferroptosis. This paper just published circulation research from our group. So many proteins had been studied, discovered from our group. So the time limited, I'm not go to the detail. We published over 190 papers in the reviews. Also, we have published 4 books, including ferroptosis in this year. So also published in this paper, we include more than 20 cover papers that will show the art regarding art and science. and many stories. So finally, I would like to thank the financial support, also my research group, also many collaborators. Thank you. It's all here.
Thank you, Dr. Wang, for your excellent presentation. I think we will have some discussion later. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.